In this interesting video, a Ukrainian FPV drone, flying at full power and speed, attempted to accomplish the impossible. The operator tried to intercept a Russian Ka-52 gunship, yes, a coaxial rotor aircraft also known as the flying tank. The drone approached the helicopter in an intercept mode, flying slightly higher as it neared. While the operator was adjusting the drone's trajectory, the gunship swiftly moved just beneath it. As the gunship fired rockets in a pitched-up position, the operator once again moved toward the gunship from the side and missed the mark. The pilot was lucky that he remained safe twice. In this scenario, the helicopter was also fortunate, as there was no warning inside the gunship about the drone's approach. The event unfolded so quickly that the operator had very little time to make any adjustments. There were earlier instances of helicopter being intercepted by drone, but like this, all were unsuccessful.